Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever felt sad because your dreams seem too far away? Today, we have another simple and inspiring story for English beginners. Today's story, The Patient Caterpillar. Listen carefully, learn new words, and enjoy today's story. Let's begin. The Patient Caterpillar. A little caterpillar lived on a fresh green leaf. Every day, it watched beautiful butterflies flying across the bright blue sky. The little caterpillar felt sad. It said, "I will never be as beautiful as they are." A wise butterfly smiled and said, "Be patient. Everyone grows in their own time." The little caterpillar believed those kind words. Day by day, it ate fresh leaves and became stronger. Soon, it wrapped itself in a soft cocoon. It waited patiently and never gave up. One bright morning, the cocoon slowly opened. The little caterpillar had become a beautiful butterfly. It spread its colorful wings and flew high into the bright blue sky. The butterfly smiled and said, "Good things come to those who are patient." Moral: be patient and never give up. Your time to shine will come. Thank you for listening. The Patient Caterpillar. Believe in yourself. Small steps, patience, and hard work can lead to wonderful success. Keep learning, keep listening, keep growing. See you in the next story. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more English listening stories. Ask simple question. What did the caterpillar become at the end of the story? Write your answer in the comments.